In this video, we'll learn about oxidation and reduction reactions. First, let us see what is oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. This is known as oxidation reaction. And reduction reactions means removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. The reactions which involve removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen are known as reduction reactions, and the reactions in which oxygen is added or oxygen is taken by the compounds is known as oxidation. And in the same way, if hydrogen is removed, this is also known as oxidation reaction. Now, let us take an example to understand this. Have you ever observed copper when heated in a china dish? What happens to it? It will turn black. What is the color of copper? You know copper color, right? It is reddish brown. But when it is heated, it becomes black. Do you know the reason for it? The black color is due to the formation of copper oxide. How is copper oxide formed? Copper oxide is formed due to the oxygen present in the air. You have air here, right? All this air contains oxygen. On heating, copper and oxygen combine to form copper oxide. That means oxygen is getting added to copper. So this is known as oxidation reaction. This is happening in presence of heat. When you are heating it, this is happening. So I can write as copper, which is a solid, on reaction with oxygen, which is a gas which is present in air, will give us copper oxide, which is in solid state. Now we have to balance this equation. This is the balanced equation. We are giving heat. So this is an oxidation reaction. Now let us see the reduction reaction. This copper oxide formed is black in color. To again bring back copper, what are we required to do? We have to pass hydrogen gas to it. That means when hydrogen gas is passed through this heated copper oxide, what will we get? We'll get copper and water. What is happening here? Oxygen from copper oxide has been removed and copper is forming. So, this is a reduction reaction. Let me write it down here. Copper oxide, which is a solid, which is black in color. You are passing hydrogen gas to the heated copper oxide. That means heat is being supplied to it so that the reaction can take place. Therefore, you will get copper and then water vapor, which is in the form of gas. So here this is reduction reaction and this is oxidation reaction. But in general, oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously in a reaction. One of the reactant gets oxidized and the other reactants get reduced. So these reactions are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. Let us see example for redox reactions. I am writing an example for redox reaction. Now let us take ferric oxide. Ferric oxide plus carbon, which is also a solid. What is happening here? Let us see. The carbon will reduce this ferric oxide to iron plus carbon is taking up oxygen to form carbon dioxide, which is a gas. Now let us balance this equation. So see here what is happening. From iron perspective, if you take, here it is oxidized. It is with oxygen. Okay. Here oxygen is removed and it is forming Fe. So Fe2O3 has lost oxygen. So what happened to this? This is getting reduced. Now let us see carbon. Carbon which is present gained oxygen. So it is forming carbon dioxide. So this got oxidized. As I told you, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction are taking simultaneously. These two are taking place simultaneously. Therefore, it is called reduction, oxidation, redox. See, redox reaction. I hope you understood what is oxidation, what is reduction, and what is a redox reaction. In our next video, we will see some more types of reactions.